We'll start with your next topic, that is tangram. So tangram means what? It's an ancient Chinese puzzle. Okay, it consisting of different shapes like triangle, rectangle, square. Okay, this everything will cut into what? Different shapes. See, for example, in the tangram we have two different types. We have two different types. One is what? 5-piece tangram. Okay, one is 5-piece. Another one is 7-piece. One is 5-piece tangram and another one is 7-piece tangram. So in the 5-piece, okay, whatever the shapes are there, we cut into what? How many? 5 pieces. And in the second one, 7-piece means all the tangram is cut into 7 pieces. Now see how. See now, this is one 5-piece tangram. How many shapes are there over here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we call this as the 5-piece tangram. And 7-piece means we cut into 7-piece. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, I will do practically and I'll show you now. And why we will use tangram? To make a different shapes like tree or animal or person. We'll cut it this individually pieces like a triangle and rectangle. Okay, and different shapes we will cut into particular 5 or 7 pieces, and with that pieces we will prepare what animal or a person or a tree, whatever the shape is there.
So children, now I will show you how to make a 7-piece tangram. So we have to take? We have to take just one paper, cut it into square. See, now I'll show you here. Okay, follow the same steps. You have to follow this same way. Okay, see now, cut into square. Okay, now it became the square. So this is the square. How you have to fold it? See, fold first like this. Okay, and you have fold like this, then opposite way you have to fold it. We have to make how many columns? See now, like this, and one more like this. Okay. And now open. Now see, there you can see this boxes are there created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Total 16 boxes we have to do. So what next is? Put a line. Okay. This is the tangram of 7 pieces. You have to try it for 7 pieces also. In the textbook they have given. Now I am showing you what 7 pieces tangram. So what we have to do is, we have to draw the lines according to how I have shown here. See now, first we have to draw this line, okay, vertical, and next from here you draw, okay, like this, and from here this line, and from here to till here this Okay, I'll do dark for this line, whatever. Okay, and the next last is what? This line. Now I'll give a number to whatever the area is there. This I'll give as the 2 number. This is 1, 2, this is 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have to take the scissor and cut however the number is there. First I will cut 1. Whatever the darkest line I have drawn, you have to cut accordingly that. Now I will cut it. So 2 is this one. I'll cut this with a 2. Next comes is what? 3. I'll cut this with 3. How we have drawn, after that drawing, give a number and cut. 4 is how like this? It is like this. So cut like this. Okay, and 5 is like this. This became the 5. Now 6 is already, this is cut, only divide this. This became the, there are 7 pieces. Correct? See, different 7 pieces we got. Correct? Using these pieces, we have to create any shape. Okay? Now see, I will show you how. I'll place one triangle over here. Triangle over here. And one more big triangle. I'll place here. See now. Now I am using this, whatever the shapes are there, we can draw. Okay. Different shapes we can do. Or see now how it is looking. It is looking like a what? Any shape. A person is standing, or cat. Is it looking like a cat? So now I will show you one more example how to arrange the with 7-piece 10 gram as a man. See now I have placed over here. Now I will take one more triangle which we have cut it. See now. Okay. This see, and see now I'll take over this. All the types, okay, we can arrange however we want. How it is looking? Is it looking like a one man or a person? Correct now? See, like this we can arrange however we want. Which we have cutted the papers, no? So that only we can take it and rearrange whatever, however the shapes are there, and we can any shapes we can form it. One more I will show you now. See, boat. Okay, I'll take 2 triangles. How like this. Like this I will take, and one more triangle I will take over here. See, I am forming a boat. Okay, I am forming a boat with a 10 gram. See now, and this I will place over here. See, we can, whatever the shapes is required, okay, we can take that and we can form the now how it is looking? Is it looking like a boat? See now? Correct? So like this, cut it into that particular which the shapes are there in the 7 or 5 pieces, and cut into as given in the textbook or as I have told you just now, and you can prepare 10 gram any images or the pictures.